before humanity enters into rest, whether each kind of person is punished or rewarded will be determined according to whether they seek the truth, whether they know God, whether they can obey the visible God. Those who have rendered service to the visible God, yet do not know or obey Him, lack truth. These people are evildoers, and evildoers will undoubtedly be punished. Furthermore, they shall be punished according to their wicked conduct. God is believed in by man, and He is also worthy of man's obedience. Those who only believe in the vague and invisible God are those who do not believe in God. Furthermore, they are unable to obey God. If these people still cannot believe in the visible God by the time His work of conquering is finished, and also persist in being disobedient to and resisting the God who is visible in the flesh, these vaguists will, without a doubt, be destroyed. It is as it is with those among you. Anyone who verbally recognizes God incarnate, yet cannot practice the truth of obedience to God incarnate, will ultimately be eliminated and destroyed. And anyone who verbally recognizes the visible God and also eats and drinks of the truth expressed by the visible God, yet seeks after the vague and invisible God, will all the more be destroyed in the future. None of these people can remain until the time of rest after God's work has finished. There can be no one like these people who remain until the time of rest. The demonic people are those who do not practice the truth. Their essence is one of resisting and being disobedient to God, and they do not have the slightest intentions of obeying God. Such people will all be destroyed. Whether you have truth and whether you resist God are determined according to your essence, not according to your appearance or your occasional speech and conduct. Every person's essence decides whether they will be destroyed. This is determined according to the essence revealed by their conduct and the pursuit of the truth. Among people who similarly do work and also do similar amounts of work, those whose human essences are good and who possess truth are the people who can remain. But those whose human essences are evil and who disobey the visible God are those who shall be destroyed. Any of God's work or words directed at humanity's destination deals with humanity appropriately, according to each person's essence. There will be no accidents, and there will certainly not be the slightest error. Only when a person carries out work will human emotion or meaning be mixed in. The work God does is the most suitable. He absolutely will not bring false claims against any creature. There are now many people who are unable to perceive humanity's future destination, and who also do not believe the words I speak. All those who do not believe, along with those who do not practice truth, are demons,